Hi friends, this is John Kingston from JR Trading Zone. You all know that I have started the series of option selling strategy videos. I have made 2-3 strategies. If you have not watched the video, you just go to the playlist for option selling and you can watch all the videos one by one. Watch step by step, then only you can understand the meaning of this video. Okay, first I have made plain option selling, call and put option, then one straddle, one strangle, then I have made one option strategy, that is iron butterfly. Then now I am going to come into this strategy. When I want to reveal this strategy, the one name came into mind is Shariq Samsudeen. You all may be knowing him very well because he is a very famous trader from Kerala. I follow lot of traders all over India, all over the world. Each and every trader is having different styles of trading. Why we follow different traders, which style might suit us, we don't know. Each and every person has a different risk profile, we can say. Therefore, we have to study all the strategies followed by different traders all over the world. It gives us more clarity about the stock market trading and investing also. We can study all the subject regarding stock market. If you are passionate, you can definitely follow Shariq Samsudeen, and he more than a trader, more than a stock market investor. I love him because he is a very good teacher. He know how to teach. I don't know how to teach. I just tell what I know and I am trying to teach you, that's all. I am trying to convey what I have experienced in the market, and I try to convey you what I have learned. But Shariq is a very beautiful teacher and no one can forget him if you go through his YouTube videos. Definitely he has made a lot of useful videos regarding stock market, investment, trading, everything. One of his strategies, I will say, he has revealed all his strategies, what he do in the online platforms. Definitely he does not hide anything. The best thing with him is he is very transparent. He even shows, not like all the traders, some traders show their PNL, some traders hide their PNL, some traders are not interested in showing their PNL. Like that, there are different category of traders. But Shariq is actually very transparent in the matter. He says that we should show the PNL, and he is always revealing his PNL, quarterly PNL, half-yearly PNL, annual PNL, and everything. He always reveal all the positions which he take in the stock market. He is a weekly option seller, he is an investor in stock market, and he is a beautiful guy to follow. Definitely, I told you, I follow a lot of traders in India and all over the world. I will reveal all their strategies one by one. In this video, I will tell you the strategy revealed by Shariq Samsudeen, because I have planned to make this strategy, but when I plan to make this strategy, definitely the person who came to my mind is Shariq. Now in this video, I am going to reveal the strategy which he revealed in one traders carnival. He told he is doing this strategy, and that strategy I am going to show you from the computer payoff graph and see how the strategy. It might be a simple strategy, but it's a very powerful strategy, and he is very successful applying in this strategy. Yes, let's go to the payoff and we will be back. Yes, friends, let's go to the option chain. This week the Nifty spot is 19,684. So the ATM strike, you know, that is 19,700. Okay. If you don't know what is ATM, OTM and ITM, I have made a separate video on what is OTM, ATM and ITM. You can go and watch the video. This is a very simple strategy applied by Shariq, and this is an extension of the strategy short strangle. I have made one video, short strangle. This is just an extension of that strategy. Short strangle is hedged on both sides. I will show how he does the strategy. Okay, now see, 19,700 is the spot. Now on the downside, let's go and sell 19,400, 300 points down. Okay, selling one lot of put option. Spot is 19,700. Once more, have to clearly watch the video. down we are going for 300 points, and we sold one put option. Now from that spot you are going 150 points down, that is 19,250, and there you are going to buy one lot. Here you are not going to sell, you are buying one lot. Okay, now on the upside 300 points on the upside, that is 20,000 call option you are going to sell. Okay, again on the upside 20,150, that is 150 points up, you are going to buy one option. Now clearly watch, you have sold 300 points down put option and 300 points up call option, and you have hedged with 150 points. Sharik enters into a trade where he get only 1% return, and when the position goes wrong he makes adjustment, and sometimes he may end up even getting 1.5 or 2%. Definitely he enters a trade aiming only for 1%. How to manage the risk is completely a different subject. That is where psychology comes into effect. We should work more on the psychological area. We should work more on the chart patterns. Where is the actual support, where is the actual resistance, if you don't know what is chart patterns. So definitely we should have good knowledge on what is chart and chart reading, chart pattern and technical analysis. Now this payoff is called iron condor. This strategy is called iron condor strategy, famous strategy by many traders. You see, now the probability is 73%, maximum profit is 842 rupees, that is 1.71% returns. Sharik never enters a trade more than 1% return. He goes far out of the money. Even when we go far out of the money, we are having more probability of winning probability. The estimated margin is 49,208. That is the beauty of hedging. When you do hedging, definitely the estimated margin becomes 1/3. If you want to sell a plain call and put option in this situation premium, it will cost nearly 1.35 lakhs, 1.25, 1.35 lakhs. But when you do hedging, your cost, that is the estimate margin, is also reducing. It comes to 49,208. This is the beauty of hedging. This is a very simple strategy, but it is a very powerful strategy done by Sharik. Now I am going to remove the hedge. I am going to remove the buy position here, and I am going to buy position here. Now see, this is a short triangle. Here one call sell and put sell. Here the profit is too much. Here the estimated margin is 1,25,844. That is what I told you already. Estimated margin is 1,25,844. Okay, in this place when you are doing hedge, giving hedge, the estimated margin becomes 49,000 rupees. Therefore you are able to take 3 lots here. Here the profit is 842 into 3. Therefore that is nearly 2,400 rupees. That is what I say. When you do hedge, there is a lot of benefits. One, you are going to risk defined strategy. Any black swan event, technical glitch by the brokers, anything, you don't want to worry. You are just going to lose only the defined amount. And I think you got a clear idea how to build an iron condor. Okay, but where to build, in which area we have to build, which point should be selected as the middle point, that we can know only when we study technical analysis. So work more on technical analysis on chart patterns. Hi friends, I think you enjoyed watching this video. The simple strategy iron condor is applied by Sharik. He definitely take the position after the American market opens. That is on Tuesday he enters the position. Sometimes if the market is very volatile, he go and enter on Wednesday. Sometimes even on expiry day he uses this strategy, and the adjustments is according to each and every one's personality. When the position goes wrong, how to adjust and everything is according to everyone's risk profile. Therefore, this is a strategy which he follows, and this is a strategy he has revealed in the Traders Carnival. Very beautiful trader, and watch all his videos and follow all his videos for learning stock market very well. You may think, why should we study all the strategies given by all the traders? One strategy might suit you, that strategy might not suit me. Therefore, you should work on the strategy. Sometimes there may be a very big option buyer in you. Definitely there may be a very good option buyer in you. You can search it when you go through all the videos, when you go through all the when you follow all the traders, when you follow all the investors. Sometimes there might be a very big investor in you. What is your space in stock market? You can't determine yourself. You should go and follow all the traders in India and worldwide. So I will be revealing who I follow. This is the first person I have revealed, because I am also from Kerala. I love him very much. He is a very good, once again I will repeat the word, more than a stock market trader or investor, he is a very beautiful teacher and nice person. Okay, I have not attended his workshop, I have not seen him, but I have seen a lot of his videos, and he is a very beautiful, energetic teacher. Therefore, follow his videos. Then if you want this type of videos, the strategies of famous traders in India and all over the world, like my videos. I want subscribers, and when my subscriber count is increasing, definitely I will be revealing all the strategies followed by these famous traders. Next, any strategy won't work 100 times. It is not 100% successful. So to know where to apply the strategy, you should know what is chart pattern and what are the patterns formed in the market. I deal with pattern in a different way. Okay, I always believe that buyers and sellers are in market, their feelings, fear, greed and hope, we can read from the chart if you are a good technical analyst. So I believe more in technical analysis with CPR. I have made one video, OSR at CPR, opening strike reversal at CPR. And if you watch that video, you can understand how I deal with market. Where the market is likely to take support, where it is going to take resistance, how I deal with the market, you can understand, you can get a clear picture if you watch that video. Okay, so watch that video. If you want to know more about day trading patterns and strategies, I have written a book in Amazon. It is available in Amazon KDP. You can go and download. Only if you are a serious trader, you can go and download. Sometimes it might suit you, sometimes it not may suit you. It is my patterns, and I always go behind the logic of the patterns. It is quite successful for me. So I will once again remind you, follow all the traders or in India and all over the world. Definitely I will also reveal the strategies by great traders. Then thanks for the support. If you have not click the like button and support me. If you want this type of videos, the strategies of famous traders, share my video to all the trading community. Let my subscriber count increase. Definitely I will be revealing all the strategies followed by all the traders in India and all over the world. Okay, which I follow. Definitely I don't follow all the traders, I follow a number of traders and I like them. Definitely you may also enjoy that type of videos, the strategies of famous traders. There may be investors, option buyers, option sellers, futures people trading in futures. There are a lot of people like that. They have different strategies and everything. So I will be revealing everything one by one. Thanks for watching my video. Learn more, earn more. This is John Kingston signing off from JR Trading Zone. Bye.